In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix site with group members, whether you're collaborating on a project or involving team members to make updates. Knowing how to effectively share access to your site is super important. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio and pull up the site you intend to share. This is your central hub for making edits and managing various aspects of your website, so make sure you're familiarizing yourself with the layout. Once you're there, locate the Teamwork or Roles and Permissions section within the studio. This area is specifically designed for managing who has access to your site and what kind of actions they can perform. It's essential to keep this section organized and updated as your team changes or grows. In this section, you'll see the option to invite people to collaborate on your project. Click on this button to start the invitation process. This tool is incredibly beneficial because it allows you to specify exactly what permissions different collaborators can have. This way, you can ensure that everyone has the appropriate level of access that aligns with their role and responsibilities. Next, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Take care here to ensure that the email address is input correctly, as any typos could lead to unnecessary delays. This step is crucial because the invitation will be sent directly to their inbox, and a correct email ensures smooth and efficient access. Now, you'll have the opportunity to choose a role for this person. Wix provides a set of predefined roles with specific permissions, such as editor or admin, but you can also create custom roles to better fit your specific needs. These roles determine what actions the person can perform on your site, from editing content to managing settings. It's advisable to discuss with your team what role each member needs before setting these permissions to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've set the email and selected the appropriate role, go ahead and send the invitation. Your invitee will receive an email prompting them to join, and upon accepting, they'll be able to access your Wix site with the permissions you've granted them. It's a straightforward process that helps in maintaining security while fostering collaboration. And there you have it. Sharing your Wix site with group members is as simple as that. It's all about ensuring everyone has the right tools and access they need to contribute effectively to your website. If you have any questions about specific roles or run into issues, I recommend checking out Wix's support resources for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.